Today, take a look at the TOPEC screw extractor set. So this is a very nice looking set. Now the thing that makes this one stand out to me is that we have both the extractors as well as the left-handed twist drill. So most drills of course are going to spin clockwise and are going to cut clockwise. This one is designed to spin counterclockwise, so it is going to cut when you spin it to the left. The benefit of that is if you actually dig into that screw and it catches, it'll just spin that bolt right out. You don't even need to use the extractor. I find that these by themselves are actually extremely effective. But of course, if you cannot get that thing to come out with this, then we've got the backup. This has these teeth that get larger as it goes in. So as this goes in deeper and deeper, it's going to keep on spreading out until eventually it can't go anymore. Then it'll catch. Then when you apply more force, that'll break it free. So these things are a lifesaver when you need them. And as you can see, this is actually fairly big. And it even says that these are cobalt drill bits. So these are in fact better than most of the drill bits that you get with these types of sets. Most of them are just high-speed steel. So these are going to be able to dig into harder surfaces. So we got 2 1/8, which is actually very cool because if you're going to break one, it's going to be one of these smaller ones. So we got 2 1/8. Then we got a number 2, 5/32. So we got 2 sets of those as well. 3/16, quarter, 19/64, 3/8, and then on the top we got the big 1/2 inch. So this is a very complete set. So there we go. Nice and easy. Grab into that guy, no problem. That's it. These things are excellent. What's great about these ones that are narrow like this is you can fit that into a deeper well. So if you need to get like a set screw out or something like that, this is going to be the type of tool that you need. So this is an awesome set.